how to publish your Lovable AI app on the App Store. First, open up Lovable AI, click on all projects, and then locate the app which you want to publish on the Apple App Store. And just click on the blue button here for publish. Now make sure your app is live and that the URL is working. And then you will just copy this URL. Next, go to this website, median.co, and you want to paste the URL in this field and select build your app. Once you click on build your app, it is going to ask for a name and also your email address. So I'm just going to use this email and select start building my app. So what this is going to do is turn your web app into a native app, and you can upload it on the iOS store. It's going to build it for iOS. Now, how this is going to work, we want to click on build and download from the left hand side, and right here you will see that you will get the IPA file, which is going to be the file that we need for Apple. And you will just click on configure signing. Now you will need to sign into your authorized Apple developer account here, and after you sign in, it is going to let you download the IPA file. Now I'm going to show you as an example here for the Android APK file. Once you have signed in, you will click on build, and this is going to build your file, and this button, it's going to show you a download button. So we're just going to wait for this to complete. Okay, and like I said, you will get the download button and you will be able to download the IPA file once you click on it, and it's gonna download the app. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.